Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a topic close to many of our hearts: selling your car. Let's face it, parting ways with a trusty set of wheels can be bittersweet. But fear not, gearheads. With a few simple steps, you can turn that bittersweet goodbye into a sweet success story by maximizing your car's value. Remember Sarah from last month's video? She was worried about getting a fair price for her trusty Honda Civic. Well, guess what? By following some easy prep tips, she not only sold it quickly, but also got more than she expected. Thanks to some intelligent prep work, she's cruising around in her dream car. You can do the same. In this video, we'll break down the process into bite-sized chunks, showing you exactly how to make your car shine, literally and figuratively, so you can attract serious buyers and get top dollar. Step 1. Gather your ammunition. Show close-up shots of car documents and owner's manual. Before diving into the cleaning frenzy, let's get organized. Gather all your car's paperwork: the title, registration, service records, proof of how well you've cared for it, and the owner's manual. These documents build trust with potential buyers, so having them readily available is critical. Bonus tip: if you have receipts for major repairs or upgrades, include those too. It shows the buyer that you've invested in keeping the car in top shape. Step 2. Declutter and deep clean. It's time to turn your car into a minimalist dream. Remove all your personal belongings. That coffee cup collection can wait. Vacuum every nook and cranny, including the trunk. Wipe down the dashboard, console, and door handles. Don't forget to clean the windows inside and out for that crystal clear view. Pro tip: invest in an excellent interior cleaner and some microfiber cloths. They'll do wonders for removing dust and grime without damaging your car's surfaces. Step 3. Exterior shine time. Now let's get that exterior gleaming. A good wash is essential. Use car soap specifically designed to avoid stripping away any protective wax. Once dry, apply a coat of high-quality wax. This will not only make your car look amazing, but also protect the paint from the elements. Bonus tip: remember those often neglected areas like the wheels and headlights. A little TLC goes a long way. Step 4. Address minor issues. First impressions matter. Walk around your car and identify minor issues, like a flickering taillight or a loose trim piece. Fixing these minor problems shows buyers you've taken care of your vehicle and are willing to invest in maintaining it. Remember, you don't have to tackle significant repairs. However, addressing those minor things can significantly affect a buyer's perception of your car's overall condition. Step 5. Capture attention with stellar photos. In today's digital world, your car's online presence is crucial. Take high-quality photos that showcase your vehicle in its best light. Find a clean, well-lit location, maybe with some greenery in the background, and capture the car from different angles: front, back, sides, interior, and even the engine bay, if it's clean and looks good. Bonus tip: edit your photos for a polished look, but avoid overdoing it. You want potential buyers to see the car in its actual state. Step 6. Be honest and upfront in your description. Honesty is the best policy, especially when selling a car. Write a detailed description, highlighting the car's features, mileage, and condition in your online ad. Be upfront about any minor imperfections, but don't dwell on them. Focus on the car's strengths and why it would be an excellent purchase for someone. Pro tip: research similar cars for sale in your area to get a sense of fair pricing. Don't undersell yourself, but be realistic. Step 7. Embrace the power of a fresh scent. We all know that the smell of the new car is irresistible. While you may not be able to recreate that magic, a fresh, clean scent can work wonders. Place a new car air freshener with a subtle, pleasant fragrance. This creates a positive first impression for potential buyers when they step inside. Bonus tip: avoid overpowering scents or anything that might trigger allergies. Step 8. Be prepared for showtime. When potential buyers come to see your car, be prepared. Have all your paperwork readily available. You should print 2 one-page car brochures, highlighting the key features and benefits. This shows the buyer you're organized and serious about selling. Plus, it gives them something to refer back to after their visit. Step 9. Be welcoming and knowledgeable. First impressions are critical, so greet potential buyers with a smile and a friendly handshake. Be prepared to answer questions about the car's history, maintenance schedule, and features. Pro tip: It helps to be familiar with the car's specs and common selling points. Knowing your stuff builds trust and confidence in potential buyers. Step 10. Let the car do the talking. Sometimes, the best way to sell a car is to let it shine independently. Offer potential buyers a test drive so they can experience the vehicle firsthand. This allows them to feel a smooth ride, understand the handling, and see all the features. Step 11. Be flexible and open to negotiation. Be prepared for some negotiation. Listen to the buyer's offer and have a counteroffer in mind. Be flexible within reason. Remember, your goal is a win-win situation. Pro tip: do your research beforehand to know your bottom line. There you have it. Step 12. Expand your reach with multiple platforms. Don't limit yourself to just one online marketplace. Here are some ways to cast a wider net and attract more potential buyers. Local classifieds. Many newspapers and websites offer classified sections specifically for car sales. This is a great way to reach local buyers who might be interested in avoiding online marketplace fees. Car enthusiast forums. Online communities dedicated to specific car makes or models can be a goldmine for targeted buyers. In your ad, highlight features that appeal to those enthusiasts. Social media. Share your car listing on relevant social media groups or pages. This can expose your car to a broader audience within your network. Utilizing various platforms increases the chances of finding the right buyer who truly appreciates your car. Step 13. Consider the convenience of selling to a dealership. Selling a car privately can be a rewarding experience, but it also requires time and effort. If the process feels overwhelming, consider selling your vehicle to a dealership. Here's a breakdown of the pros and cons. Pros: faster and more accessible. Dealerships handle the paperwork and buyer interactions, streamlining the selling process. Guaranteed sale. You'll receive a guaranteed payout, even if it might be lower than a private sale. Cons: lower price. Dealerships typically offer less than you could get through a private sale. Less control. You have less control over the negotiation process and final selling price. If convenience and speed are a priority, selling to a dealership might be the better option. Just be prepared to accept a slightly lower price. Step 14. Celebrate your success. Selling a car can be stressful, so once it's done, take a moment to celebrate your accomplishment. Pat yourself on the back for all the preparation and negotiation involved. Treat yourself to something you've wanted, or use the extra cash towards your dream car. Remember, selling a car successfully is something to be proud of. Now, you're ready to move on to the next exciting chapter. Whether buying a new car or simply enjoying the financial freedom of no car payment anymore. With these easy steps, you can transform your car into a buyer magnet and get top dollar when you sell. Remember, a little prep work goes a long way. So, shine on, gearheads, and happy selling. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below, letting me know what other car-related tips you'd like to see. Remember to subscribe for more awesome content. And if you're in the market for a new or pre-loved car, keep an eye out on my channel. I might have the perfect buying guide for you. Thanks for watching.